Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to take the opportunity to gloat just a little bit. Just a little bit. Tristan, I'm right again, dude. And I'm going to tell you here in just 2 shakes of a cat's tail.
Evil must be punished.
Alrighty, space.com again. And the heading is Mars Orbiter Back at Full Strength by Tariq Malik, staff writer. 21 September 2007, 6:45 p.m. ET. Pardon me. NASA probe circling Mars is back to full strength as researchers ponder its past views of possible cave entrances on the red planet's surface. Yes, I said cave entrances. The spacecraft reacted exactly as it was designed for this condition, said Robert Mace, NASA's Odyssey mission manager at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, earlier this week. Meanwhile, researchers are hoping to use the revived probe and other red planet orbiters to hunt for more cave-like pits akin to those found by Odyssey and the Mars Global Surveyor earlier this year. Dubbed the Seven Sisters, the dark holes were discovered on a massive Martian volcano dubbed Arisa Mons and range between 328 to 820 feet, 100 to 250 meters in diameter, mission manager said. They are cooler than the surrounding surface in the day and warmer at night, said Glenn Cushing of U.S. Geological Survey's astrology team and Northern Arizona University in Flagstaff, Arizona, in a Friday statement. Their thermal behavior is not as steady as large caves on Earth that often maintain a fairly consistent temperature, but it is consistent with these being deep holes in the ground. Okay, so what they found basically is they found the entrances to what could possibly be underground caverns on Mars, just like I said. And although these entrances have variable temperatures, I suspect, and evidence looks like it's bearing out, that I was correct, that there is indeed warm pockets underneath Mars' surface. So there very well could be liquid water under Mars as we speak. There could be life under Mars as we speak. It is a very near possibility. They're all confirming exactly what I told you. You know, almost to the letter. Researchers describe Odyssey's potential cave finds, which were previously reported on Space.com in a recent online edition of journal Geophysical Research Letters. Whether these are just deep vertical shafts or openings into spacious caverns, they are definitely entries into the subsurface of Mars, said study co-author Tim Titus of the U.S. Geological Survey. In a statement, somewhere on Mars, caves might provide a protected niche for past or current life or shelter for humans in the future. Okay, so now the thing that they want to stress, NASA, I mean, not this article, is that these caves would be used for human population. I would not do that. The only time I would use these caves, excuse me. The only time I would use these caves is if, in the event of, say, a solar flare or some other type of calamity, until we can get the Martian atmosphere thick, which should be relatively easy to do, but until we can get the Martian atmosphere thickened up, you want to avoid solar flares and any other type of anomalies like that, and that's where the caves come in. But other than that, there really isn't any necessity to be in a Martian cave. We could have our buildings on the surface of Mars with no problem. Wouldn't hurt a thing. You just like I said, you know, everybody'd have to duck into the cave during a solar flare, and once the all clear sounded, we could all come right back out of the cave again. No muss, no fuss. But you know, that's yeah. So turns out I was right again there, Tristan. Sorry, dude. But you know how that goes. Have a pleasant day, folks.